diagnosing trigeminal neuralgia, you have to look at the typical clinical features for these patients, and this will be short paroxysms of pain in the territory of the trigeminal nerves innervation areas in one side of the pain. The pain attacks will be short, less than 2 minutes. It will be of very severe intensity, and there will usually be trigger factors such as touching the face, talking and chewing, and the character will be stabbing electric-like pain attacks. It is important to make the diagnosis, subdiagnosis with an MRI, where you really have to look at the neurovascular contact and to make sure that there are no secondary causes such as tumors or multiple sclerosis.